Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. I will mention the cause of cough according to the origin or the site of cough. If the origin is in the larynx, the common cause is post-nasal drip. If the origin or site of cough is in the larynx, the common causes are laryngitis, tumor, or whooping cough, or croup. If the origin of cough is in the trachea, the common cause is tracheitis. If the origin of cough in the bronchi, the common causes are bronchitis, COPD, bronchial asthma, bronchial carcinoma. If the origin of cough is in the parenchyma, the common causes are tuberculosis, pneumonia, bronchiectasis, pulmonary edema, interstitial fibrosis.